Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading for you. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer USDT from Robinhood in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin that helps you maintain value in the volatile crypto world. If you're looking to move your USDT out of Robinhood to another wallet for more flexibility or better yields, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets secure. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app updated to the latest 2025 version. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Crypto tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen for easy access. Here, you'll see a list of your holdings, so scroll until you find USDT. Next, tap on USDT to open its details page. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw button. Robinhood might call it something slightly different in 2025, but it's typically prominent. Select that option, and you'll be prompted to choose where you want to send your USDT. This could be to an external wallet or another exchange. Now, enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this. Typos can lead to permanent loss. Also, specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and review any fees involved. Robinhood often charges a small network fee, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll need to verify this with your two-factor authentication for added security. After that, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, this should only take a few minutes. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your USDT. Always monitor your transactions in your wallet to ensure everything went smoothly. If you run into any issues, Robinhood's support is usually helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.